Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Burst. Today I'm going to show you how to make GTA 5 look so much better by just one simple little trick or a thing in the game. Yeah, yes, you know, I'm playing on console, PlayStation 5, so this is not cap, it's completely true everything. This is not a mod or anything because we on console can obviously not have mods, just so you know. So I'm going to show you how to do this. The way you do it is that you need to change your brightness. That's all. So as you can see here, this is max brightness. And this is the lowest. As you can see, it's actually looks a little bit better. You maybe prefer a little bit higher brightness. It's all up to you. But for me, I think it looks better at the lowest. Because I just like how dark it is at night and it's not too bright on the day. Sure, it could maybe be a little bit brighter, but I prefer the lowest. And it's all about personal preference, you know. So I'm going to show you how it looks in the night as it was in the first clip. Here it is, in nighttime. So this is how it looks in nighttime. And I'm going to be quiet now and just show you the rest of the video where I'm driving around just a little bit for fun. So enjoy.
Awesome car, man.
That was all for today's video. I hope you're having a very great day and thanks for watching. I hope I see you soon in the next video. Have a really good day. Alright? Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.